Karma Guy here. Check out this rare 2007 BMW 5 Series 550i sedan with a 6-speed manual and only 84,000 miles. It comes with a clean Carfax and over $1,600 in recent service, including spark plugs, engine mount, alternator, and valve cover gasket. Plus, it's dealer certified pre-owned with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Remember, price discounts void at CPO status, but you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at a discount. We encourage pre-purchase inspections. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Don't miss out on this BMW 550i.